So tying the figure 8 knot, you're going to grab your rope, create a little bend, then you want to bring it over your rope, all the way around it, then back up through the hole. It's your figure 8. Before you go, I want to teach you some rope terminology that will assist you in tying your future knots. So let's start with this rope. The end we begin to start our knot on, that's known as the working end or running end. The opposite end is known as the standing end. Now you may also hear the term loop, and there's a lot of confusion that happens with a loop. So here's a loop. This is an overhand loop because the working end is over the standing end. Now if you reverse that, this is known as an underhand loop because the working end is underneath the standing end. You may also hear the term turn. That means you're just going over an object like this. You're not going completely around, you're just kind of like a bend over. That's a turn. Now, if you go all the way around an object and you create that loop there, that's called a round turn. Another term you may hear is a bight. It's pretty much when you take one part of the rope and you touch another part of the rope. That's a bight. A bend is just simply a bend. It's not a bight, it's a bend.